Here's a question that breaks the internet every time. Does 0.9 repeating forever equal 1? Intuitively, your brain screams no. It feels like it's just a tiny bit less than 1, like infinitely close, but not quite there. But in mathematics, intuition can be misleading. Today, I'm going to show you 3 different proofs, from simple logic to algebra, that show why they are exactly the same number. Let's start with something you already know. What is 1 divided by 3? It's 0.333 repeating. We all agree on that. Now, what happens if we multiply this by 3? Mathematically, 1 over 3 times 3 is just 1. But if you multiply the decimal version, 0.3 repeating times 3, you get 0.9 repeating. So logic dictates if 1/3 times 3 is 1 and 0.3 repeating times 3 is 0.9 repeating, then 1 and 0.9 repeating must be the same thing.
If that didn't convince you, let's use some algebra. Let's call our mystery number x. So, x equals 0.999 repeating. Now let's make it bigger. Multiply both sides by 10. Now we have 10x equals 9.999 repeating. Here is the magic trick. We are going to subtract the original x from this new equation. On the left side, 10x minus x gives us 9x. On the right side, the repeating decimals cancel each other out perfectly. 9.9 repeating minus 0.9 repeating leaves us with just 9. So, 9x equals 9. Divide by 9, and x equals 1. Still skeptical? Let's think about the number line. If two numbers are different, there must be a gap between them. There must be space for other numbers. For example, between 0.9 and 1, there is 0.95. Between 0.99 and 1, there is 0.995. But can you find a number between 0.9 repeating and 1? No matter how close you zoom in, there is no gap. There is no space for another number. If there is no distance between them, they are the same location. Math doesn't lie. 0.9 repeating is 1. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the StickMATH.